Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make chai masala, and it's going to be very fragrant and the chai is going to be so delicious. So let's get started. I'm going to be using a few ingredients which you're going to find down in the description box. So I have some peppercorns, cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon and loose tea leaves. If you don't have the loose tea leaves, you can use the tea bags, and ginger. The ginger is going to make our chai very nice. So I'm going to move over to my stove top where I've placed a pot. To my pot, I'm going to be adding in a cup of water. To my water, I'm going to be adding in ginger. And then I'm going to be adding in my black peppercorns, cloves, and cardamoms, and let this come to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, I'm going to add in my tea leaves together with cinnamon, and let this boil for around 1 minute until everything is nice and fragrant. Next, I'm going to add in 2 cups of milk, and my sugar, and then I'm going to let my chai come to a boil. So a good tip about chai masala, if you want the chai to have a very strong ginger taste, you can grate the ginger. If you don't like that strong ginger taste, you can slice as I've done, and you're still going to get some awesome chai. When the chai comes to a boil, I'm going to use a sieve and reduce the flames to low and let the chai masala boil for around 1 minute until everything is nice. After 1 minute, I'm going to check on my chai, and this is how it's looking. It's a very good recipe. You have to try out. So when my chai is ready, I'm going to use a sieve and sieve the chai, and then I'm going to serve myself some. So immediately I'm going to give my chai masala a taste. I love the ginger taste in my chai masala, and I love that all the spices that I added while boiling my chai are very fragrant and tasty. So this chai is just worth it, and you have to try out this amazing recipe by me, of course, and you'll surely enjoy. So catch you on my next video.